Hello everyone and welcome to our mint making fun today. So you need to get your cream, cheese, and butter until it looks like this, so it's just blended together. That's the first step. So what I'm going to do is ask whomever is playing this to play it twice, that way you can do that if you need to. But you're just creaming the cream cheese and the butter together. This is a really simple recipe, so if you, for some reason, can't watch this, you can just read the directions. So the next thing we're going to do is add all of this lovely powdered sugar to the mix. So just add a little bit at a time. It calls for 4 to 5 cups, but it does make 150 mints. So that's a good thing. Just stir it in. And the reason why it calls for 4 to 5 cups is it may vary depending on your butter and cream cheese. So you just keep mixing it in until it's like a Play-Doh consistency. So just keep mixing, I'm making a mess, shooting it everywhere. So once you get some of that mixed in and you see most of it's disappeared, you can add some more. I'm giving everybody 5 cups, but you may not need all 5 cups. But you can just keep pouring it in little by little until you get to that Play-Doh consistency. What it'll do is it'll actually form like a ball of dough. So we're getting closer. Gonna end up being a white like a snow person here soon. We're getting closer, almost there. It's a lot of stirring, good exercise. We're just going to keep adding that. We'll have our full 5 cups in my batch at least. Yours could be slightly different. Oops. Of course, I am losing some out of the side of the bowl. Okay, yep, definitely getting our dough ball here. Now we're going to add a teaspoon of mint extract, which you'll have in your kit. And this is optional. You don't have to use this if you're somebody who doesn't like dyes and that sort of thing. You can leave it the natural white, but because these are Valentine's mints, we're going to add some red food coloring. Mine's kind of a pink, but you can make it, if you want to put all that in there, it would probably be a deeper red. It just depends on what you want for your mints. Alright. I'm going to get my gloves on. I've already dyed my hands red a little bit. I'm gonna grab, in your kit will also be a little bit of granulated sugar. We're just gonna put that on this plate to the side a little bit, because I'll show you what we're gonna do with that. And you need a fork. Any fork will do. So you're gonna take a little bit of your dough, and you're gonna roll it into a ball. And then you're gonna roll it into the powdered sugar, or the granulated sugar. Just like that. And you're gonna use your fork, and you're gonna just press the tines down so that it looks like that. And then you can lay them out on a tray and refrigerate them, and they'll harden. Once they're hardened, they'll still be a nice, very soft, melt in your mouth texture. But once they harden a little bit, you can then put them in a container and you can store them in the refrigerator. So I'm gonna make one more just to show you. And you can make them as big or small as you like. Just once again, roll it to that ball shape. Put it to the powder, the granulated sugar, and roll it around. Use your fork to make it a round little shape like that. And you just keep doing that. As you can see, you're going to make a lot of mints with that. So you can certainly share those or store them for quite a while in the refrigerator. Thank you for joining me.